Hey guys, are you want to buy best case fan? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best case fan debts are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at AsiaHorse Computer Case Fans Transform. Your gaming setup with this innovative RGB fan cluster that combines sleek aesthetics with high performance. The unique interlocking connector design allows for easy installation. Just one cable per cluster drastically cuts down cable clutter. Sync your lighting with music using the included high-sensitivity RGB controller and watch your fans pulse to the beat. Customize your vibe with 12 streaming, 6 monochrome, and 8 rhythmic lighting modes, all easily controlled via a compact hub. With PWM support and speeds up to 2000 RPM, pushing 68.5 CFM airflow. These fans ensure optimal cooling under pressure. Forward and reverse blade designs maintain visual appeal regardless of airflow direction. Built with FBD bearings, they offer quieter operations staying under 29.2 decibels, even at full load. Durable, silent, and visually stunning, this fan set redefines your gaming space. Now our second product is Corsair Low-Noise Case Fans. The Corsair RS fan delivers a powerful blend of performance, precision, and quiet operation. Its daisy chain design streamlines cable management, letting you connect and control multiple fans with a single 4-pin PWM connector. Achieve exact cooling performance with speeds up to 2100 RPM and airflow reaching 72.8 CFM, perfect for high-demand systems. Thanks to Corsair's air guide technology and anti-vortex vanes, airflow is focused directly on hot components, making these fans ideal for radiators and heat sinks. With an impressive static pressure of 4.15 mm H2O, they push air effectively through dense hardware. Built for silence and longevity, the magnetic dome bearing minimizes friction and reduces operational noise. Whether you're optimizing for airflow, pressure, or acoustics, these fans strike a perfect balance, ideal for serious PC builders. Our third product is Darkrock Case Fans. This 120 mm high-performance cooling fan is designed for efficient and quiet PC operation, featuring 9 fan blades and a max speed of 1200 RPM. It connects easily via a 3-pin interface to provide solid airflow and maintain optimal case temperatures. Equipped with 4 soft silicone cushions, it effectively absorbs vibrations, keeping noise levels as low as 32.1 dBA for a quieter working environment. The hydraulic bearing design ensures smooth, stable rotation and extends the fan's lifespan to an average of 30,000 hours. Built with durable, eco-friendly PBT material, the fan offers excellent insulation and heat resistance. Installation is simple and beginner-friendly, making it ideal for first-time builders and pros alike. This case fan delivers the perfect balance of cooling performance, durability, and low noise, ideal for keeping your system running cool and quiet. Now number 4. Thermalright PC Case Fans. This high-performance PC fan offers powerful cooling and stunning ARGB aesthetics in one sleek package, featuring a streamlined cable management system. Each fan cluster requires only one cable, minimizing clutter and simplifying installation. Equipped with premium SFDB bearings, the fan runs smoothly with minimal noise while ensuring long-lasting durability. The standout feature is its dual-sided ARGB mirror lighting effect, which creates a vibrant, dynamic glow that elevates your build's visual appeal. With 4-pin PWM control, the fan intelligently adjusts speed based on system temperature for optimal performance. It includes both a power connector and a RGB sync cable, allowing seamless integration with your motherboard. Versatile in design, this fan is perfect for both case ventilation and CPU cooling setups. Whether you're gaming or working, It delivers efficient airflow and captivating lighting effects, making it a top choice for performance-focused PC builders. And our last choice is Lian Lipac RGB Fantha 120 SL Infinity Fan. 3-pack with controller is a premium cooling solution that combines high performance with mesmerizing aesthetics. Each fan delivers powerful airflow while maintaining quiet operation, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity setups. The included controller allows easy customization of stunning infinity mirror RGB lighting effects, creating a visually immersive environment. With seamless daisy chain capabilities, installation is clean and efficient, reducing cable clutter inside your case. These fans are not only perfect for airflow, but also add a striking visual element to any build. Designed for reliability and performance, the SL Infinity fans are built to last with durable materials and smooth operation. Whether you're upgrading your current system or building from scratch, this 3-pack offers excellent cooling, vibrant lighting, and simple control all in one sleek package. A must-have for PC enthusiasts seeking both form and function. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.